Easter Bunny brought you. Look at what the Easter Bunny brought. Put everything else down.
Jake, come here, look. Look what Mommy got for you.
Come on,
What do we have here?
Whoa! What did you find? Who is that? Is that Thomas? It's Spider-Man? Jake, can you say Happy Easter?
That's good. Gotta have the weight behind you.
Wow! What is that? Spider-Man's? And Thomas. Let me see Thomas. Ooh, thank you. Oh, thank you. What else is in there? I think I see bubbles. Yeah. Okay, say Happy Easter.
Is that a Spider-Man egg?
I wonder what's in there. Okay. You give it, Mommy? Thank you. Okay, look at Mommy. Jake, can you wave bye-byes? Thank you. Got a little Thomas. Wow. Okay. I think you got a book. Look at the bunny book. Book. And some shirts and some bubbles. Wow. Bubbles. A bubble gun. Yay. Okay, can you say Happy Easter? Jake. Okay. Bye-bye.